Now, in this video, we are going to talk about how to optimize our social media content and what are the strategies for success if you want to become a content creator. Well, it is first important to understand different social media platforms. What are the requirements? What is the format of social media engagement on all these platforms? For example, Facebook is ideal for community building, Instagram for visual-centric platform, wherein you can post good quality pictures and short videos to engage with people. LinkedIn, professional networking platform, ideal for business-to-business content, fostering industry connection. TikTok, short form video platform, popular among the younger generation. So in order to be successful in social media content creation, you need to have a specific type of content tailored for each platform. For example, Instagram, you utilize interactive features like polls, questions, Instagram stories, posts, etc. In LinkedIn, you can write in-depth industry insights on different topics, establish yourself as a thought leader. Platform-specific contents adapt to the tone and format based on the unique characteristics of each platform. In order to become a better social media communicator, you need to use analytics to improve content performance. Every social media platform will provide you data wherein it will show engagement with your customers. You can use Facebook Insights, Instagram Analytics, Google Analytics, and different types of engagement metrics to analyze and see the effectiveness of your content and how your audience is connected to it. Also, you need to establish your brand as a separate and an individual brand with your own style and have a distinctive brand identity. In order to establish your brand voice, it is the kind of language which you use while interacting with the people. A motivational tone suits fit for brands, while formal language fits finance. Also, crafting a unique visual style for your brand is equally important. You can use consistent use of colors and fonts, which will help you identify your brand as a unique brand. You need to have different sort of voice and visuals with similar tone to harmonize and strengthen your brand identity. This will build recognition and trust with your audience. You can also use certain styles to create and maintain consistency across all platforms. You can create a cohesive content strategy wherein you're aligning your content with brand identity for maximum impact. You are identifying your target audience. You're developing content pillars, creating a posting schedule, ensuring brand alignment and monitoring audience engagement. This is a complete picture of content marketing. You are building a loyal audience around your brand. You're engaging and retaining your audience consistently for your brand success through live sessions, through user-generated content, through involving audience, different chats, and responding to the feedback that is replying to their comments. Also, monetization plays a very important role in your content creation unless and until you earn money from your content. There is no point in making more content if you're not able to make money with your existing content. So in order to monetize your content, you have different revenue streams for content creators, such as ads and sponsorships, digital products, affiliate marketing, and membership models. You can use any one or all of these to generate income for yourself. Affiliate marketing is basically marketing a third-party product, and that third-party product gives you a commission for promoting their products. So in order to be successful in affiliate marketing, you need to choose relevant products, utilize the tools that will help you track your sales, integrate affiliate links with different companies, diversify your income, and promote only genuine and authentic products. Revenue generation, as I said, can be through digital products, wherein you can create ebooks for passive income, develop online courses, offer membership for exclusive content, and utilize affiliate marketing. Your path to success, to social media success, is how you implement your social media presence and drive growth effective. Thank you.